Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, solid-state drive, fan, USB board, and system board. Removal. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel on the left speaker. Remove the 5mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the speaker to the top cover. Lift the left speaker off of the alignment pins on the top cover and set aside. Release the power button board from the retention tabs and alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the power button board.